Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. Today we are gonna craft a set of modular tiles for create your old mines. Stay a while and listen. So we start preparing a normal tile 3 by 3 inches. This is very easier if you use a proxen, but I want to create one tile in the old school way, so I'm using my X-Acto knife. First of all, we trace 2 lines that are actually 1 inch. Now with the arch cutter we create like a rock terrain on the 2 sides that are actually parallel to the railway. Try not to cut the extremities. Now with some coffee stirrers we mark 1.5 inches pieces and we cut that. We need 6 pieces for each tile. You can place them random, but since we are creating a modular system, we need to place them half an inch one from the other. And you start, a 1/4 inch, and then half an inch, half an inch, half an inch, half an inch, and 1/4 inch. After you marked the spots, we can proceed and glue the pieces with a hot glue gun. Easy peasy Japanesey. Now the actual railway. I'm using this square section long sticks. I'm placing them inside the 1 inch lines that I marked before. When you use super glue, you need to wait a little bit for the wood to dry and to stick together. Once they are fixed, you can cut them, and for being very precise, we file them with a nail file. Use the tile as reference for stop the filing. Nice. Perfect for our cart. Check the tutorial for the card, okay? Now we texture a little bit the pieces. I'm using first of all a very fine sand that is actually very nice. Then I'm using some cork pieces. At the end, some little stones. Here I was not satisfied by the first coverage, so I add a little bit of PVA glue and I pass again with some sand. The important thing is that the 2 iron railways are not covered at all. so clean them with your finger like that. I created 3 pieces like that. Now the end piece. The procedure for the tile is the same. We mark the 2 lines, and this time we need just 4 pieces of wood. For this piece I was a little bit in a rush, so I use a hot glue gun. The super glue is much more clean, but the hot glue is much more fast. For the stop piece, I'm using balsa wood. I'm cutting 4 pieces that are actually 1 inch long, and the section is half an inch. I'm using 2 of them as vertical beams against the railway, like that. 1 and 2. Then, using the cut mat, I'm cutting 45-degree angles on each piece. Sometimes using the cut mat is the faster way to create precise cut. Then I glue them against the vertical pillars like that. For the tampon piece, I'm using again balsa wood, just eye measuring. I'm using my cart for reference, and then I glue the 2 tampons. Those are little wooden mushrooms that I like very much. Check again the tutorial how to create a little mine cart. I'm gluing now the tampon piece. After texturing, we are ready for paint. I wanted this environment very dark and very dusty, so basically I'm using very few colors. I'm using here a black paint with my airbrush. With an earth brown, I'm passing all the wooden pieces and a little bit the rocks. If some rock is not very well attached, don't worry, you just cover it and go on. At the end, with some metal silver, I'm dry brushing the railways. Smooth and dusty. For the stop piece, I'm not only passing the railways, but also the 2 tampons with the metal silver. Not on camera, but I'm also passing the sides of the tiles with a medium gray, and now with a warm gray I'm passing all the wooden pieces. And that's it.
Jump into the cart, enter into the mines. The railways seem to be endless, deep and deeper into the darkness.
Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you very like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!